Hello everyone, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to create your own art to sublimate. If you don't know what sublimation is, I will explain everything you need to know very shortly. But first, I would love to show you the watercolors we will be using today. The brand is Viviva Colors, and this brand is really special because first, their products are handmade, they are a family-owned business, and they are providing jobs for women in their local community in India. You'll see me swatching their spring palette, which has very bright colors, and it includes 4 metallic tones. As you can see, this is not your traditional watercolor palette. This tiny pamphlet carries 16 different colors, and it's so tiny it could fit in your pocket for a plein air session. The colors are very vibrant and smooth, and they kind of remind me of the P.H. Martin's watercolor inks. If you want to know more about this brand, the link for their website will be in the description box for more info. Now, back to sublimation. After finishing our piece, we will be creating a tote bag with the design. You can easily create shirts, mugs, keychains, and more with this method. Sublimation is the process of transforming a solid into a gas. In this case, we're using inks. When the ink turns into a gas with heat, it will transfer to the surface of your choice, making the image permanent. When we sublimate, we need a special ink called sublimation ink, sublimation paper, and a sublimation blank. If you want to sublimate clothing, they should be 100% polyester for better results. Sublimating on cotton or other materials will not hold the ink, and it will fade immediately after being washed. If you want to know more about what printer to use and other things you'll need, I'll leave a link to a video in the description box. Today we are creating some Be Kind rainbow paintings, which are so in right now. These are very easy and simple to make. Have fun and play with colors and shapes. This specific brand of watercolors are perfect for this technique. They are so vibrant that when sublimated, they will look great on any surface. Once you choose one of your masterpieces, take a picture from the top. This can be done using your phone just like I did. I will now upload it to my computer, and the next step will be done in Photoshop. I am now going to edit the picture a little bit since it looks so dark on my screen. You can also edit your picture on your phone, or you can use a different editing software. We just need to make the image brighter and remove the background. In Photoshop, you go to Image, Adjustments, and here you can see we can play with a bunch of stuff. I'm going to add brightness and later on some saturation. Keep editing until it looks just like the real thing. To erase the background, I'm using the magic eraser and then cleaning the whole image with the regular eraser. Once the background is clear, I will save it as a PNG. This allows us to have our image with a transparent background. Next step will be adding text. Again, you can do this on your phone or any editing software. I switched to Illustrator to add the text, and I've created a file with the size of my sublimation paper, which is 8.5 by 11. I am now going to make my image as big as I can since the tote bag I'm going to sublimate is 13.5 by 13.5 inches. Remember to always measure your sublimation blank so you know exactly how big your art should be. Once everything is ready, we're going to print. I use the Epson ET2720 Ecotank that I've converted into a sublimation printer by adding Hiipoo sublimation inks. Remember that you need this special ink for this to work. These are the best inks I've found for sublimation. I'm also using sublimation paper from the same brand. All of the links to these products will be linked in the description box. Once you print your image, we will be doing our last step, which is pressing the image into our tote bag. Remember that if you're sublimating clothing, it should be 100% polyester. And if you want to sublimate on something else, it should be blanks specifically for sublimation. For example, sublimating a mug from the dollar store will not work, since the mugs needs a special coating for the ink to penetrate. Just look on Google using the phrase sublimation blanks, and you'll see what I'm talking about. Using heat-resistant tape, I'll adhere the paper to the tote bag where I want it to be. For the final step, I'm using a heat press that I bought from Amazon. We will press the tote bag with some parchment paper at 400 degrees for 60 seconds. One minute has passed and the best moment has come. It is so rewarding and so amazing to see that something I created myself is now a wearable piece of art. Let me know in the comments, where would you like to sublimate your art? Like this video if you enjoy it, and don't forget to subscribe. And remember that all the links will be down below. If you want the specific bag that I've created in this video, it will be for sale on my website. And remember, in a world where you can be anything, be kind. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.